Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to post ads on Binance P2P app. Now this is fairly simple to do, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is obviously you have to have some money, right? If you want to, sell your USDT or if you want to buy, it depends. But what you can do is go to trade and go to P2P. Once you're on P2P right here, as you can see, we're on our P2P. We can just skip this. And then as you can see here, we have buy and sell. And we also have here user guide. If you want to see the tutorial, make sure to watch this tutorial. And then you also have more. So click on more, and here you have post new ad. So click on post new ad here. And then as you can see, we'll see that we can post a normal ad right here. Now we can set the type and price, we can set total amount and payment method, and we can set remarks and automatic response. So let's say you want to sell, let's say you want to sell, I don't know, USD, right? Or, you want to sell BUSD for Great British Pound, right? You can do that, right? So if you go here, we can click next. And then here you can put the total amount of BUSD that you want to obviously sell, and order limit, and also Great British Pound limit as well. Now you can add payment method here as well. So let's say you have add new payment method. You can add more payment methods. Our pop-up is currently blocked, but you can add payment methods through here. As you can see, total amount should not be less than 100. So since we don't have 100 BUSD, we cannot actually go through this whole process. But this is basically how to post an ad, right, on P2P, on Binance P2P, right? And then you will be able to set remarks and automatic response, and then you can click next and obviously go through that whole process. As well, you can set the payment limit here, and if you need any help or guide, you can also click here, and yeah, Binance will help you with that as well. But this is basically how to post an ad on Binance P2P app. If you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll answer all of your questions, and thank you guys for watching.